Hi guys, Sam here from Landscape Plus, and today we are going to take a quick look at two of our most popular products. We have got the Claber Video-2 Plus and the Claber Video-2 Original. Now the main difference between these two is that the Video-2 Plus has the option to pop a rain sensor into that one. So first up, we're going to take a look at the Video-2 Plus. When you push the two lugs on the side in, you can remove the faceplate, and that shows you where the battery is housed. You've got three connection points on here, one for the battery in the middle there, one for a rain sensor attachment, so you just pull that loop out. If you don't have a rain sensor in there, you need to make sure that one is tight in there. And then the last one on there is to connect your valve to. So once those are all connected, you can close it up and it is time to program your timer. So you open up this faceplate. At the point that you have popped the battery in, it'll open up and say 0000. That is just for setting the time. So if you press enter, that gets you into editing the screen. So with these timers, whenever you're editing something, you'll have OK in the bottom right-hand corner there. Press and hold the right-hand arrow, and we can cycle through and set the time on this one for, let's go with 9 AM. Press enter again, that will get rid of OK, so that means you've set your time for 9 AM, and you can then use the right-hand arrow to go on to the next screen. So you'll see here we have got open at the top there and number 1 on the left hand side. That means that it's irrigation cycle number 1 and you're setting the opening time. So again, press enter to open up this display. We will set this one for, let's go with 6 AM. So press and hold the right hand arrow. Press enter again, gets rid of OK. So that is your opening time for irrigation cycle number 1 set. Right hand arrow, you can see there that it has changed to closing time and the time has automatically gone to 6:01. So that says that you have to have it for at least 6:01. Press enter, we'll pop this one on for 10 minutes. So closing at 6:10. Press enter to get rid of OK, and we can click the right hand arrow. The only thing that's changed here is you can see we've got number 2 on the left hand side now. So that's irrigation cycle number 2 for the opening time. Let's go with an evening one on this. So press and hold your right hand arrow. Perfect, so set for 5 PM, get rid of the OK, onto your closing time, open that one up again, 10 minutes at 5 PM. So that is both of your irrigation cycles stored. To check that, you can go back through. So you've got run number 1 opens at 6, closes at 6:10. Number 2 opens at 5 PM, closes at 5:10. The next screen you've got here, you can see 1 to 7 along the bottom there. So that's days of the week that you'd like the irrigation to work. So if you wanted to remove Saturday and Sunday, for instance, you could go through, get rid of 6 and 7. So this is now just going to run Monday to Friday. Right hand arrow to get back to exit in the bottom right hand corner. Press OK, and that's stored, so it's only going to run Monday to Friday. Through there, you've got what they call the manual. So this is for testing the irrigation before you leave site. Press into this one. You can hear there that the valve has opened. So that will manually test for 15 minutes, or you can close it yourself by pressing the right hand arrow. Press enter again, and we are back to the time. So that is how you program the Claber Video-2 Plus timer. If you've got any other questions, give our team a call. We'd be more than happy to help.